Imagine waking up to the news that the PI core team has just dropped a powerful new update, one that's not just a small patch or a bug fix, but a major leap forward for the entire PI ecosystem. That's exactly what's happening right now. The long-awaited PI Node version 0.5.4, now officially rebranded as PI Desktop, has arrived. And trust me, this is not just another software update. It's a signal, a quiet but powerful sign, that PI network is steadily, confidently marching toward the future we've all been waiting for. For years, pioneers across the world have been running nodes, contributing computing power, verifying transactions, and patiently watching the system evolve piece by piece. And now, this update feels like the core team's way of saying, "We see your effort. We're ready to take things to the next level." From the moment you install PI Desktop, you'll notice something different. It feels smoother, faster, more alive. The performance boost is undeniable. Everything runs with a quiet efficiency, no lag, no stuttering, no random slowdowns. It's as if the system itself is breathing easier, finally optimized to match the global scale of the PI community. But speed isn't the only story here. There's something even more important: accuracy. One of the biggest improvements in this version lies in the reward calculation system. In earlier versions, there were moments when rewards didn't fully reflect the real effort node operators were putting in. Some pioneers contributed more, yet the numbers didn't always tell the full story. That changes today. The core team has re-engineered the mechanism behind node rewards to ensure that every contribution counts exactly as it should. Whether your node has been online for days or months, your reward now mirrors your actual performance and reliability. This precision isn't just about fairness. It's a critical step toward what's coming next: the integration of node rewards into the mainnet economy. Yes, you heard that right. This update isn't just polishing what already exists. It's laying the foundation for the real-world, fully functional PI mainnet that so many of us have dreamed of. Every tweak, every fix, every optimization is one more piece in the grand puzzle coming together. And speaking of fixes, let's talk about the long-standing frustrations many pioneers faced in version 0.5.3. Remember the delays in node rewards? The auto-update glitches? Those random errors when trying to create block containers? They're all gone. The core team has listened, and they've delivered. It's refreshing to see that this isn't just a technical update. It's a response to the community's voice. They're paying attention. They're fixing what matters most. This is what true progress looks like. Not perfection, but consistent, community-driven evolution. One of the most exciting features added in this release is the open port verification system. Now, this might sound technical, but its impact is massive. It's all about trust and transparency. This system monitors and verifies open ports for each node, ensuring that the rewards people earn are based on actual, measurable contributions to the network. No more uncertainty. No more guessing. Every bonus, every reward is verifiable. Proof that your node is truly helping build the decentralized future PI network promises. And for the developers and creators within the PI ecosystem, this update is a breath of fresh air. PI Desktop now fully supports authorized external links, something that had been inconsistent in earlier versions. Now, links to blogs, PI resources, and updates found in the mining app and the PI App Studio all function flawlessly. It may seem small, but for those building apps, testing integrations, and sharing innovations, this is a game changer. It makes the entire environment more connected, more seamless, more alive, but it doesn't stop there. The update also fixes a long-standing issue in the PI App Studio. Some developers noticed that even after installing their applications properly, previews wouldn't show up. It was frustrating to build something and not even see it reflected correctly. But with this update, that problem is gone. The ecosystem feels cleaner, smoother, and more rewarding to both developers and users alike. Now let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Why does this update matter so much? Why should pioneers care? Because it represents more than code. It represents progress. Every line of code rewritten, every bug fixed, every optimization made is a step closer to the mainnet's full potential. PI Desktop 0.5.4 isn't just improving user experience. It's strengthening the network's backbone. It's ensuring that when PI finally goes open mainnet, it won't just work, it will thrive. This is the kind of update that separates speculation from strategy. It shows that the core team isn't just talking about innovation, they're executing it. Quietly, carefully, and effectively. And that's the beauty of PI Network. While other projects chase hype and publicity, PI continues to build, silently but surely, with precision and patience. Updates like this are the invisible gears turning behind the scenes, preparing us for something much greater. For the everyday pioneer, it might feel like a small technical note, a smoother interface, faster loading, better calculations. But in reality, it's a message. It's the core team saying, we're ready for the next phase. So if you've been running a node, keep it active. If you haven't set one up yet, now is the perfect time. The system is stronger, the experience smoother, and the rewards fairer than ever before. Every node you run, every contribution you make, strengthens this vast digital network that one day could redefine how the world understands money. In short, PI Desktop 0.5.4 is more than an update. It's a promise. A promise of stability, fairness, and readiness for what's coming next. It's the core team showing that every detail matters, every voice counts, and every pioneer plays a part in shaping the future. Because make no mistake, the future is coming faster than anyone expects. And when it arrives, those who believed, those who built, those who stayed, they'll be the ones standing at the front of a new financial revolution, powered not by banks or governments, but by the people themselves. And that's what makes PI Network more than just a project. It's a movement. And with this update, that movement just got stronger.